Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rahman. Hello everyone. Here I will present about the operation of the excavator. Okay, I divided my presentation into three parts. One, requirements for driving an excavator. Check the condition of the excavator, operation of excavator.
Next slide.
One, requirements for driving an excavator. One, must have seen to be. To work in a company that requires excavator operator. At least the mandatory requirement is seen B2. Thus, legality or first can be accounted for. 2. Safety equipment. For safety equipment can be in the form of helmets, goggles, shoes, gloves.
Yes.
2. Check the condition of the excavator. One, engine oil check. Make sure the engine oil in this excavator unit is neither too low nor too low. The way to find out is by looking at the dipstick at the bottom of the dipstick. There is a line and the letter which indicates low, and at the top of the dipstick there is the letter which indicates high. Make sure the engine oil on the excavator unit is in the upper line position, or which means the engine oil is sufficient or not more. 2. Check radiator water. Radiator water function to cool down, so make sure radiator water is at a good level position. No shortage or excess. Next. 3. Check swing motor oil. The dipstick on the swing motor oil has 2 lines. These lines are to find out whether the oil level is sufficient or not enough. If the oil only reaches the one's bottom line, then it is a sign that the swing motor oil is lacking. If the oil reaches line 2, both is a sign of swing motor oil at the recommended sufficient level. Next. Check the hydraulic oil. In this hydraulic oil, there are 2 letters L and K. L denotes low, which means hydraulic oil is in low, slight position, and K denotes high, which means hydraulic oil is in high, full position, and the recommended position is the high position. Next. 3. Operation of the excavator. How to turn on the excavator? 1. Enter ignition key. 2. The ignition key is in the on position. If the ignition key is in the on position, the monitor screen will light up. How to turn on the excavator? 3. Then turn again towards start to start the engine on the excavator unit. Under the ignition, there is a main max selector which function to increase acceleration on the excavator unit. Lever and their function. Running bucket and boom section. To operate the bucket and boom section, move the control panel or the right section lever. Lowering the boom, pushing the lever forward. Raising the boom, pull the lever back. Closing the bucket, slide the lever to the left, opening the bucket, slide the lever to the right. Lever and their function. Control the direction of the cabin and beam. To control the direction of the cabin and beam, use the control panel or the left lever. Raising arm, lever, pulling back. Lower arm, push lever forward. Sliding cap to the right, shift lever to the right. Shifting the cap to the left, shift lever to the left. Lever and their function. Lock the excavator lever. To lock the excavator lever, use shut off or locker, usually on the left. Closing or function of the excavator lever. Pull the lever up. Knock and unclog the excavator lever function. Push lever down. Lever and their function. Running and turning excavator. To start and turn the excavator, use the right and left track levers on the front. Moving the excavator forward, pull the lever simultaneously backward. Moving the excavator backward, simultaneously pushing the lever forward. Turn left, pull the right, lever backward. Turn right, pull the left, lever backward. Summary. First, explanation which is requirements for driving an excavator. The second, check the condition of the excavator. And lastly, operation of excavator. Alright, I think that's all my presentation. Thank you all for listening to my presentation. If any of you have question, I will be happy to answer them as I can. First, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.